You are welcome to Tech with Offer. Today, we will be talking about the best way to learn AI and machine learning in 2025. Your ultimate guide to mastering artificial intelligence and machine learning. Introduction. Why do we need to learn AI ML in 2025? Number one, there are high demands of AI engineers in various industries. Number two, AI presents lucrative career opportunities. Number three, you have opportunities to contribute to innovative projects. What are the prerequisites? These fundamental skills are needed in order to be an AI ML expert. Number one, mathematics. There is need to mastery of linear algebra, calculus, probability. Number two, the language of the course is any proven programming languages. The de facto language is Python. R and C++ are also useful languages to use in AI machine learning. Number three, there is need to master data manipulation skills, ability to use popular Python libraries such as Pandas, NumPy will be of great advantage. Number four, basic machine learning concepts. There will be every need to understand basic concepts in machine learning. What are the learning path overview? Step one, beginner level. You learn the fundamentals. Step two, intermediate levels. You learn how to build models and how to deploy models. Number three, advanced level. You learn how to fine-tune model parameters. And the final one is expert level. At the expert level, you learn how to build innovative solutions that are powered by AI. What are the things in beginner level, also known as foundations of AI machine learning? You need to learn Python and data analysis. You need to get familiar with Jupyter notebooks. You need to explore important libraries for machine learning and AI, such as sklearn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. Oh, at the intermediate level, you need to build models. And these models are built step by step. Step one, you move from data collection through data pre-processing, through model selection, training and validation of your models, evaluation of the models, and final models. And there is a tweak. If between evaluation and training of model, it can be done again and again. And if there is perhaps still unsatisfactory results, you can move from evaluation to either pre-processing or model selection. With this, you learn supervised and unsupervised learning, how to classify the kind of model you need to use in your AI applications. You need to also work with algorithms. You need to learn linear regression, support vector machines, decision trees, XG boost algorithms, and many of them. At this stage, you also need to get your hands dirty with projects, real-world projects, such as predictive analytics, image classifications, and so on and so forth. At the advanced level, we are talking about optimization and fine-tuning. At this level, you need to talk about hyperparameter tuning techniques. This will be explained to you in due course. You need to learn about model evaluation and metrics. You need to evaluate the metrics that are used to assess the accuracy or precision of your models. And you also need to be using deep learning for complex tasks. This will simplify a lot of works for you. And then recommended courses, you can learn about fast.ai's practical deep learning for coders, and so on and so forth. At the expert level, we are talking about research and innovation. At this level, you will be able to have the skill and capability to contribute to open source projects, publish research papers, specialize in subfields such as natural language processing NLP, computer vision reinforcement learning. And then, what are the tools and frameworks that are popular or in vogue as far as 2025 AI machine learning is concerned? Number one, you need to know the environment, development environments, distribution platforms such as Jupyter Notebook or Google Colab. You need to also talk about IDE. Most important of them is VS Code. You also talk about PyTorch. You also talk about TensorFlow. You also talk about GitHub. You also talk about Kaggle. You also talk about, and so many of them in that order. The development tools we are going to use: Jupyter Notebook, VS Code, the libraries that are important: PyTorch, TensorFlow, Keras, and sklearn, sklearn or scikit-learn, version control tool, Git and GitHub, collaboration platforms such as Kaggle, Google Colab, and so on and so forth will be very, very useful. Then, we now proceed to building real-world projects. As you can see, that AI machine learning affords us the opportunity to build real-life projects, such as classification problems to classify the images, such as you can see here on my right, the dog. You can also use it to find the accuracy of your models. You can also be able to do clustering. You can even be able to assess the accuracy of different models. This will help you in the choice of models to choose. And with this, you can do image classification, as I've said. You can do chatbots. You can use AI machine learning to develop chatbots and virtual assistants. We can see what is in vogue now: large language models. These are an offshoot of chatbots and virtual assistants, and it continues to get better. Predictive maintenance. You can use this to be able to maintain a system, predict when a system needs maintenance even before the failure or fault occurs. You can also use AI you can develop projects on autonomous systems such as self-driving cars and so on and so forth. What are the career opportunities in AI and machine learning? AI machine learning experts have myriad of opportunities to choose from, career opportunities to choose from. Among them is data scientists. A data scientist uses statistical techniques and machine learning to analyze and interpret complex data. He or she also works with large data sets to find patterns, make predictions, and generate actionable insights. And a data scientist is proficient in data wrangling, data visualization, and model building. Number two, we have an AI engineer. There are always overlaps between these specialties. An AI engineer designs and implements AI algorithms and models for real-world applications. He or she focuses on developing intelligent systems, integrating AI models into products, and optimizing performance. He is also skilled in deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch, and so on and so forth. We have a research scientist. A research scientist conducts cutting-edge research to develop new algorithms, models, and techniques in AI and machine learning. He or she publishes research papers and contributes to advancing the field of AI. He's often he often works in academia, research institutions, R&D departments. Number four, and finally, is machine learning developer or machine learning engineer. A machine learning engineer builds and deploys machine learning models to solve specific problems. He or she develops pipelines for training, testing, and deploying models. Equally, he contributes or collaborates with software developers to integrate ML solutions into AI, into real-world applications. What are the challenges and how to overcome them? In every novel undertaking, challenges abound. There could be challenge of lack of mathematics background. Take online courses, follow us on Tech with Offer, and take other online courses. You will surely get yourself equipped to overcome the challenges. You can also find issues with code implementation. You can always reach out to us on Tech with Offer. We will always be able to respond to comments and other issues. But beyond that, you can practice on Kaggle and other platforms. Stay updated, follow AI journals, GitHub repos, and you will be able to overcome the challenges. What are the tips for success on this journey? You have to stay curious and keep learning. Don't rest on your oars. Two, participate in hackathons. That will help sharpen your skills. Again, you have to network with AI communities. There are multiple AI communities. Data is one of them. They bring together AI enthusiasts all over the world to build and solve real-world problems using AI machine learning algorithms. So you can share your work either on GitHub or on LinkedIn, and that will be helpful in order to keep you on the go for success. In conclusion, keep experimenting and learning AI. AI is a journey. Embrace the challenges with enthusiasm. Keep experimenting and learning. Your future in AI and machine learning is even brighter, and it will get better as you journey on this wonderful undertaking. Thank you for listening, and thank you for keeping to our channels. For success, subscribe, share, and ask questions. We will be there to help you. Thank you, and God bless you.